Well, friends, our 2332 journey is almost over. Oh. But we do have one final video, and that video is this one, getting the twins together in one place. So here we have the early machine, which is all done and polished and looking great. I'm really pleased with how this came out. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, for what I paid for it, it's brilliant. Really happy. A slightly different colour tint to this one. I don't know if this one is slightly faded, but I can see on the camera this is a slightly darker green than the green of this one. But yeah, this is brilliant. So this will go into my collection with his brothers and enjoy its retirement. So really, the focus of this video is to talk about this machine. So this was the 1988 2332 that I had in my collection. So this one has now been rebuilt. I mean, I did everything to this that I did to the older model. The cooling fan was cleaned, that was absolutely choked with dirt. The motor bearings were removed and lubricated, the motor was cleaned, the commutator was skimmed. It was given a full service. It had the brush roll bearings oiled, and then it was all cleaned as well. And as you can see, it's come up really nicely. This one has a really nice shine to it, and it functions beautifully. It runs really well. The twin speed works, everything. It's absolutely spot on. So yeah, really glad with how this one came up. This is obviously the one that I'm going to keep in my collection. So this one is now for sale. So what I wanted to do in this video was just basically show it to you and show you how well it came up, but do some video of it running, actually in use, and cleaning, so I could then link that video to the eBay listing, so people who are going to bid on the machine can actually see it working, which it really helps actually, because you know, sometimes you think, oh, what am I going to get in the post? But if you can actually see the machine running, then that really puts people's minds at ease. So I don't think there's anything else to say about it really. Let's take it into the lounge and give it a run.